In today's video, I just want to show you how you can quickly make a dessert. This is cinnamon roll apple pie cups. These come together so fast using these two ingredients. So I hope you'll come along with me and let me show you how I put this together. I needed a new pan. I love Wilton, so I went ahead and bought this. So let's get started. I'm going to get this washed and we'll get going on this project. Start out by spraying it with some non-stick spray. The last time I had to open one of these, I had a can nearby and it worked really good. So I'm going to start it and then I'm going to hit it with the can. Works great if you need this little tip. I'm going to take each one of these and just spread it out in the pan here. I'm just going to kind of smash it a little bit just so it fits. You definitely want it to go up the sides because we need to make a little place for the apple pie filling to go. I wanted to see if it would work better if I rolled them out. The only problem with this was everything stuck to the rolling pin, so I should have probably sprayed the rolling pin. It might have worked better. Just a thought. But I did kind of like how it did spread it out where it was easier than doing it with my hands. Now what I want to do is just go through each one. Just make sure they're up high. Try to get them as high as you can on the top because I just know the apple pie filling will spill out if I don't have it all the way to the top. And it's pretty easy to do. Now what I want to do is put the apple pie filling in a bowl. I'm going to take a knife and just cut them up a little bit. I think the smaller pieces are going to work better in these cups. I'm going to take my ice cream scoop. It's the smaller of the two that I have, and I'm just going to fill each one. I think it's going to probably take a little more than one there. Definitely want to fill them up pretty good. We'll see how it goes. Looks like that's going to work pretty good, so I'm just going to continue on and do that. I thought it was pretty interesting how that was just the perfect amount. There's only just a little bit left in the can. It almost took the whole thing. Since there's only just a little bit in there, I think I'm going to go ahead and cut that up and just add it to the cups. That way I won't waste it. I put these in the oven at 350 degrees and took them to 18 minutes. They needed a little bit more time, so I upped it to 375 for a few more minutes until it was golden brown. Once these get cool, you're going to want to take them out and put them on a cooling rack. Before I do that, this is cool enough to touch. I'm going to show you how cool this is. Look at the bottom. These turned out so good. Grab my sheet pan and put it underneath, and then I'm going to grab the icing and I'm going to go ahead and start icing them. They are not cooled all the way. You could let them cool all the way if you don't want them to melt into the groove. I thought it might be good if that just kind of went all over. And so I'm going to take this icing and just do all of them just like this. Now I just want to take one of these and cut it open so you can see the inside. These are so delicious and I love how easy they are to put together. If you enjoyed this video today, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button, and I want to thank you so much for watching.